So I always see tons of videos on YouTube of family events, amusement parks, things that are documenting some type of family event or something in your life. But have you ever thought of taking those videos in 360? Today on Colorado Martini Living. So right now you are viewing this video in 360. It is so easy to do, and buying a camera to do these types of videos has gotten so inexpensive that amateurs like myself can load 360-degree videos to YouTube and other social media platforms. So this video is to introduce you to 360 video and how easy it is for amateur small creators like ourselves can do. I'll be doing a series of videos on how you can make this happen on your own channel or maybe another social media platform. So come along and let's take a look at 360, the video of today and tomorrow. If you swipe to my left, you're going to see some people sledding, you'll see the mountains to the right, and you'll see this beautiful vista all around us on this beautiful day in Boulder, Colorado. Like right now, if you swipe around, you'll see that I have a gentleman to my left, but he's to your right. It's your perspective and not mine. You're the camera. You're the one that's standing there. So everything that I'm looking onto is behind you. Everything that's to my left is your right. So you're the one that's controlling the perspective and what you're focusing on right now. Now, unlike regular videos, this is what's called a frameless type video. So normally in a video, I have you in a frame and I'm focusing on something and telling a story. Where in this type of video, the frame is in 360 degrees and it's all around you, and it's very immersive. So what's the big difference between VR, virtual reality, and a 360-degree video? Well, in a VR game, you as the player have control of what happens to your player. You have control on whether you walk this way or you walk that way, or whether you're grabbing something or bending down. But in a 360-degree video, you don't have that option. Me as the creator, I have control over the story. Unlike in VR, you have a little more control over the storyline. But as the creator, I'm presenting the story to you in my video, and you as the viewer have control on the perspective of what angle you're going to look at the story. So you can swipe left, you can swipe right, you can look directly on to me, or you can see what is behind you. So where the camera is standing right now is your perspective, not mine. So if you take the video and turn it all the way around, you're looking behind you, not me. It's what I'm looking directly onto. And if you turn it around and bring it back to me, you're looking directly at me. And everything else is behind you. It's your perspective and not mine. About educational ramifications of a 360-degree video. If you're a teacher and you go someplace over the summer and you want to share it with your class when you return, imagine the things that you could share with a 360-degree camera. You went to the Grand Canyon and you want to share it with your class, and you were on a raft and you held a 360-degree camera. How awesome would that be? Check for some other videos that we have on 360 and panoramic views, so you can learn how you can take these same type of videos, or maybe how to choose a camera of your own. Also, I've put down into the description and on our website some links of the products that I use. And again, any link that's on our website or down in our description helps support this channel, and we appreciate it so much. So if you haven't explored the world of 360, I recommend that you do. There's hundreds and hundreds of 360 videos on YouTube at the moment and across social media. Be sure to check the other videos that we'll be uploading on how to take 360-degree videos and how to also handle that panoramic setting that's on your most phones. You've taken those pictures before. You're at a baseball game and you take a panoramic of the stadium, and it's an awesome picture, but then you really don't know what to do with it after that. You can't print it out really, but you can make a video out of it. So make sure you check our videos on how to do that.